Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, the place where we make fun of idiots we see out here. And there's none more dumber than this moron. Just cuts across at the last minute to join the carriageway, swerves left and right, the same way as he swerved the option of intelligence at birth. So staying on the motorway theme, got this clip here from Ifty going up the M1 there. Keep your eye on this white van, yeah? Middle lane needs to get over to the left, so what do? Just do 3 lanes in one. Nearly takes that little blue car out. That van driver's got the visual and spatial awareness of an ostrich with his head stuck down in the sand. Unbelievable. So still on the motorway theme, got this clip here from Tailspin 80. He's just going around the M25, just pulled off onto this slip road, just about to overtake this car here. But he's not going fast enough for the moron who feels the urge to undertake. The moron with the driving ability and the intelligence of an unheated Greggs sausage roll. So here we have a Tesla driver doing his bit for the environment, but he ain't done much for the bus apart from smash it to pieces. Let's have a steward's inquiry. Tesla driver fully unaware that the door is open. Until that second now. Door of the Tesla smashes the windscreen of the bus, fills the front of the bus with glass particles. Bus driver fills his underpants with brown particles. I thought these Teslas was meant to have artificial intelligence. From what year? 1976? Oh boy. Anyway, got this clip here from Angela Ray. She's sitting here in the traffic. This black car starts reversing up. Don't know why. And then the white car follows suit, but someone didn't check their mirror. Bang! What a plank. Got this clip from Bobby Moore 1958, and he's in a 30-ton truck, but that means nothing to the garden tool that just pulled out in front of him without looking, in the Range Rover, of course. It was Black Friday last week, wasn't it? Obviously the idiot in the Range Rover found an unmissable deal for a driving licence for a retard. Got this next clip here from Phil S, driving down a country lane, and the Audi driver just pulls out. Let's just say that Audi driver's intellectual U-bend is a little bit blocked. Get that plunger out. Got this clip here from Brad, and this is a weird one. Look, you've got this red car and the dark car sitting across the road. So they both pull out. The red car then realises something ain't right and stops in the middle of the road. The dark car keeps coming. Bang! Airbag deployed. Intelligence wasn't deployed, unfortunately. Definitely missing a few baubles off their Christmas trees, these two. How do you do that? Like drive into a car whilst bang in front of you. Got this clip here from John H, and he's in the left-hand lane because he's going to do the left into Regent's Park. But the entitled BMW driver isn't worried about that. Just goes down the outside and left hooks in by cutting that car up in front. That BMW driver is at his mental peak, I might stress. The same mental peak which was reached in nursery and hasn't progressed ever since. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Paul. And he's pulling up at the zebra crossing because he can see that the woman's waiting to cross. Because that's what you do. Well, you do unless you've got the brain the size of a cockroach's scrotum. What a moron. Got this clip here from Rodney M, and he's behind this big red bus. Big red bus goes through the bright red light, and so does the moron behind him. The moron with a mental age that matches the numbers on his digital clock on his dashboard. Got this clip here from Barry V. It shows his CCTV footage from this yard. Now, the driver's just got in the truck. The Merc has just pulled in front of the truck, and the driver just slams him in the side. I think it's fair to say that that truck driver's had better days. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Musa, and he's waiting at these traffic lights. As you can see the sign there, it's a head-only junction. That means you only go ahead, as in straight. No left or right. But this guy never got the memo about that. And he's even got his indicator on to enforce his actions, what he's doing. Now, some people drink from the well of knowledge. This guy sipped from it, gargled from it, and spat it out. Got this clip here from @MichaelBlackCab, and you'll find him next. Going down this one-way street the right way, but the Uber idiot in the Toyota Prius is not going the right way. They never do. This red post box on the right has got more intelligence and more driving ability than the idiot who's in that Prius. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Seth, and he's going up the dual carriageway. Keep your eye to where the red arrow is. Yeah? You're going to see a white Kia Niro. There he is. Driver's definitely got an IQ of 0. Missed his turning, so he does a U-turn and ends up facing head-on into 2 lanes of traffic just so he don't miss a turn. I think it's fair to say that the midwife definitely used the forceps a bit too much on his head at birth. Yeah, and from the hustle and bustle of the city to the peace and tranquility of the countryside. Got this clip here from Big Olives. This is out in Shrewsbury. And the peace and tranquility has been shattered by the BMW driver who don't sit behind no one. Other cars are just cannon fodder for BMW drivers. Okay, so staying on the theme of the BMW, got these 2 brainless mental wonders. First one in the dark one goes through the red light. The blue one goes through a very red light. Nearly gets hit by the ambulance. Pair of them have got the intelligence of fish bait. Another brainless idiot in a BMW here. Look, going down this little back street in Chelsea. And this moron just pulls out in front of me in this beautiful 20-year-old M3 BMW. Why would you drive a car like that? when you've got the observational ability of a rat with his head in a sock. And then we're going to see someone else with a head in a sock. This week's Darwin Award nominee clip comes from Peppa Pig. And what we got... Where'd you lay down? In the middle of the road at night, of course. Why not? He was pretty comfy there. Oh dear. Anyway, if you like what you've seen, guys, I'll put a smile on your face. Do me a favour and hit that little like and subscribe button down below. It really does help me. Thanks, guys. Oh, that mirror's going to be expensive. Let's have a look at some idiots on some bikes. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Nick, and he's behind a cyclist who's behind a car. Now, when we're riding or driving, we all have to pay attention to what's in front of us. Well, you do unless you've got the visual capabilities of a cue ball which just gone down the corner pocket on the pool table. Dear, oh dear, as the teacher used to say, pay attention at the back. Got this clip here from Ifty, and we're looking at this woman on the bike. She mounts the pavement, and then she rides straight into the tree. Last time I checked, riding into large immovable objects is not optimal for good health. Another one who needs to pay attention where they're going. Got this clip here from Steve H. Got a queue of traffic, car on the left, and a cyclist has joined us to ride into the lamppost. We need a steward's inquiry. Here he comes, riding on the pavement, which he shouldn't be doing. Fails to circumnavigate the car waiting to pull out. Lack of skill results in him headbutting the lamppost there by the looks of it. What an absolute pilchard. Could be a combination of lack of skill, head injury at birth, and general lack of intelligence. And off he goes on his merry way, looking for another immovable object to ride into. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Musa, and he's just stopping at the red light because that's what we do. As you can see, there's a police van in front, waiting to pull round. And that doesn't stop the entitled cyclist just going through the red light in front of the police, or going in front of the oncoming vehicle and just risking their own life. Another mobile organ donor. So here I am going down High Holborn, and what we got in front of us? We've got the brainless Domino's pizza delivery rider. He's definitely missing some spots off of his domino, isn't he? But this guy in this next video, he makes him look like a genius. Have a look at this. Yeah, what we're looking at here is proof that evolution is going backwards in reverse, yeah? Now, two things spring to mind. First, I feel so sorry for these little kids, especially the little one on the back, because their so-called parent is putting their own lives in danger. And second, because they come from the same gene pool as this absolute retard. No, I stand corrected. The same gene puddle. Okay, so you've got this clip here from Ivor, alright, Happiness Days, and you'll find him on X. Now, you see the red traffic light there? It's on that little island. It's got the little keep left sign there. You remember that? So here's Ivor going through the green light. He's about to do the right light. And up there outside on the wrong side of the road goes the moron with the intelligence of a 3-pin plug. But unlike a 3-pin plug, his brain's got zero electrical activity in it. Got another little clip here from Musa, and this is very typical what you see. Dumbaroo delivery rider, riding in the middle of the road, totally oblivious of everything, playing with their phone. Got the hazard awareness of a cockroach that jumps into a switched on food processor because it likes the smell of the food. Oh, there's a car, where did that come from? Pick a kitchen utensil, any you like. Hand whisk, cheese grater, teaspoon. Whichever one you pick will have more intelligence than this retard. Okay, so you've got this clip from Alexis, and it shows this car going around the corner, and the cyclist is on the wrong side of the road, and that's the end result. You can see that he doesn't ride with a saddle, just a seat post. And you can tell where that seat post is right now. Oh dear. Anyway, that's it for this one, everybody. Thank you so much for watching to the very end if you did. And a big massive thank you to all my viewers and my subscribers. You've got me to 10,000 subscribers. I am blown away. I can't thank you enough. It means so much to me. And also a big thank you to Chris, John and Sarah who sent me super thanks this week. Much appreciated, guys. It really is. Also, big thanks to everyone that sent in video clips. Always appreciate it, you guys. I couldn't do it without you. Looking at a lovely old Aston Martin here, about 40 years old. Certainly doesn't look it. Hopefully this cold will be gone by the next video I do next week. Anyway, that's it. Have a good weekend and see you in the next one. Bye.